How to fix brightness problem on Windows 11. Hello everybody. In today's video, if you're having issue with brightness and your brightness is not changing, you may follow up these solutions in order to fix it. So when you head over here in this Wi-Fi section, you can usually find your brightness bar right here, which you can use to change, increase or decrease your brightness. So it may not be working for you. So what you can do instead is you can head over and access your settings. Go over to the search in the bottom left right here. Click on it. After you click on it, you can just go ahead and search for settings and open it up. Now, once you open it up here, you will be finding these options on your screen. You may look out for the option called System on your left-hand menu. Click on it, and once you click on it, you will be finding option for display. Find it up, expand it, and once you expand it, here you'll be finding brightness with the bar right here. So you can just go ahead and use the slide bar right here in order to increase or decrease, and that see if that works for you. So if you're having that issue, even this one is not working, or if this option is not showing on your screen, what you may do next is you can just go ahead and try updating your driver. For that, you can go to the search in the bottom and search for device manager and open this one right here. Click on open and open up your device manager like this on your screen. After here, look out for your display adapter. Click on display, expand it, and once you expand it, go ahead and find the display adapter that you have and right click on it. After that, look out for update driver, click on it, and once you click on it, you can look out for how you would like to update your driver. You can either search automatically for your drivers, or you can browse your computer for drivers updates and go ahead and update it. So you may follow up this solution. You can try out this method as well. Apart from the display adapter, you can even update your monitor screen. So for that also, you can go ahead and search for device manager again, open it up again, and once you open it up, look out for monitors, this option right here under your device manager. Go ahead and expand it up and find your integrated monitor. Right click on it. After that, a menu appears. Look out for option called update driver, the first one, and click on it. And after you click on it, you can search automatically for drivers or browse your computers for drivers. And there, just go ahead and look out for this option. Let me pick from list of available drivers. Click on next. And you can just go ahead and select your computer model, your screen model, and click on next and follow the process to update your driver. And once it is completed, you can just go ahead and restart your device for once and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, you can try updating your whole software. So for that, you can go ahead and access your settings, open up your settings, hit Windows plus I for that shortcut, and you will be accessing your settings. You may directly look out for this option called Windows Update in your menu. Click on it. After you click on it, look out for updates here. If there is any kind of update available for your Windows, you may just go ahead and update your window to the latest version available. So this is the method. These are some of the solutions you can follow up if you'd like to update your Windows and fix your brightness problem. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.